No problem. So then we continue. So I started last time, very interesting topic about animals, right? And the topic was Melachos pertaining to the living creatures. Very interesting. And part number 3, skinning. The melacha of skinning involves the removal of the skin from the body of the dead creature. Since it is permitted to slaughter on Yom Tov for the sake of a hell nefesh, it is also permitted to skin that which was slaughtered. Okay, so as we said, you're allowed to do, practically speaking, you're allowed to do shkita from the beginning, right? But we don't do today. So I mean, in case of the need, I don't know, whatever happened, we can, but practically we don't. Okay, so in the second step, right? You have to skin and then cut in parts, of course. Practically speaking, it is permitted to skin a raw chicken or a fish on Yom Tov. So that's a very good example, right? So since you're allowed to prepare fish, like completely, right, or chicken, right, chicken, and some people do it for health reasons, right? Because I think there is cholesterol in chicken skin, right? Some people because of the too many feathers. Right, so it's hard to remove all of the feathers, and since we don't do as nations of the world do, so it's not such a good job, right? With this with chicken skin. Okay, so no problem. So it's not that clean. So some people just remove, no problem. So basically, you can remove and cook. However, with all of the melachos of the skin can be done prior to Yom Tov. One is obligated to do so. In the event that it was not done, one may perform skinning on Yom Tov in a usual fashion. For example, by grasping the skin and pulling the chicken away from it. So usually you do like you put chicken and hold the chicken down and pull the skin. But in this case, you hold the skin and pull the chicken down out. It's what is it? Shinoi. Shinoi is an abnormal way of doing things. Okay. But I guess like if somebody decided to cook chicken, to make whatever, cook or fried chicken or whatever do on Yom Tov, I mean, most likely they would not remove the skin like before that. And for preservation reasons and stuff like that. You keep it like that, and right before it's cooking, you would remove the skin.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead, please.
So in this part of skinning that I forgot to ask this question, that it says, given that it was not done, one may perform the skinning on Yom Tov in a shinui. For example, by grasping the skin and pulling the chicken away from it. So what would be the case with the larger animal?
No, with larger animal, so usually people don't leave it like that, right? With a larger animal. So with larger animal, in order to, for example, if they did shkita before the Yom Tov, they would skin it right away. The way I understand, if you don't skin it, the animal very soon, it would be like a mission impossible. You understand? So they usually skin it right away, and then they have to check the organs and stuff like that to verify that the animal is kosher, right? And they would cut in pieces, and you have to you have to salt it, and the whole procedure, wash it, salt it. So I don't see how is it possible to leave this big animal like a cow or something with the skin attached. So it's not practical. But with chicken, you're not obligated to remove the skin. Right. So because skin is edible, so with cow skin is not edible. So many people eat the chicken skin. There is no problem. Well, what I said, some people because of the health reason, because this reason, that reason, it's their own business. But it's considered to be food. But cow skin is not food. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Welcome.